90% of remote bookkeepers fail their first international client because of one single click. If you are still using Express Setup to create company files in QuickBooks Desktop, stop right now. You are literally trapping your client's data in a mess that costs thousands to fix. In the next 90 seconds, I will show you the exact 5-step advanced setup that top-tier international freelancers use to charge $50 an hour. And pay close attention to step number 3, because if you get that wrong, your client's tax reports will be completely illegal. Step 1, always choose Detailed Start. This unlocks industry-specific chart of accounts, so you don't have to build it from scratch. Step 2, set the correct fiscal year. US clients start in January, but UK and Australian clients start in April or July. Get this wrong, and your financial matching is ruined. Now, step 3, the mistake that ruins books, tracking multi-currency and inventory. Express Setup turns this off by default. If your international client sells globally, you must turn this on here or your records become invalid. Step 4, speed up your data entry by going to View and customizing your icon bar. Hide everything you don't use daily. Step 5, hit Ctrl+A to open your chart of accounts. Clean out any default accounts that don't apply to your client's business type before you enter a single invoice. This keeps the balance sheet flawless. That is how you look like a pro to US and UK clients. In my next video, I'm showing a secret trick to spot invoicing errors. Hit subscribe to Bookify Pro so you don't miss it.